Every customer that comes to Bigfoot comes through the lobby here. And if you're in the actual office picking up a trailer, you're gonna be sitting with Miss Sky here, who's the absolute best trailer F&I person on the planet by leaps and bounds. That's the kind of people we hire here at Bigfoot. I'm taking credit for it.
Welcome to Bigfoot Trailers.
That's Brett. He's our salesman for the plant. If you guys are gonna be buying a trailer down in Florida at the plant, you're definitely gonna be talking to Brett.
This is Bigfoot Brett. We're coming to you today showing you our gooseneck trailers and options that go along with them.
Hi, I'm Adrian with Bigfoot Trailers. I manage the gooseneck department.
So this is our 4x8 table that I cut mainly 1/4 inch. I also have 2 other machines. This one here is a 6 foot by 12 foot machine, plasma cutter. Then I also have a laser table, which I try and do all of our pretty parts on.
I'm in paint booth B. We have 2 of these paint booths. You guys can see exactly how the painter gets to interact with the trailer. We lift the trailer up above the painter's head. That's extremely important because he's able to get every nook and cranny of the trailer. We use Graco Pro Mix systems. They take 2 different parts, like an epoxy, and it's part A and part B, and they mix it together through the system, and a computer meters both parts so that it's exactly perfect all times. If while he's painting, one of the parts wasn't coming in right, if there was moisture in the lines, if one of the lines was clogged, it would immediately set off alarm and stop painting. That way we get a perfect paint job on every single trailer with the perfect mix of the 2 different components. It's a really cool system. They cost about $100,000 just for the computer system and the pumps to pump it in, but it makes the absolute best paint job that you could ever dream of putting on a trailer. So here you can see the different drums of paint. It's all high-end urethanes and epoxies and hardeners that get mixed together. Each one has its own agitators so that it gets kept at the right temperature, the right mixture. They have pumps that pump over to the mix system, which meters the paint to go together so that it comes out exactly perfect. It's a computerized system. If the metering isn't just right, the hardness isn't going to be right on the paint. Each one of the paint booths totally set up costs about $250,000. And the cool thing about that is if you set up a paint booth for powder coating, you get way less quality of a paint job. It actually does cost a little bit more to set up a powder coating system, but you don't get nearly the quality of a paint job that you're gonna get from our system and the way that we do it. At big giant companies, they have lift systems or crane systems that bring trailers in, but they use powder coat and the paint quality is not nearly as good. We learned really early on at Bigfoot that customers love to crawl underneath the trailer and look around. And one of the points of pride that our sales guys, when we're walking through the plant and showing customers how we do things, they're never embarrassed to show them a trailer that hasn't gotten its wood on it yet. So they can see the raw frames that have just been painted, and they're never gonna find a spot that isn't painted. At Bigfoot Trailers, we call it Evercoat paint system. It's a 4-part paint system. We mechanically abrase all around the trailer. We get rid of the weld splatter and the mill scale and things that a lot of trailer companies just paint right over. Then we use a chemical abrasion system that's a phosphoric wash that acid etches the trailer. It gets off all the oils and all the what left of the mill scale is on the trailer. And you can rub your fingers across one of our trailers before it goes into paint, and your fingers aren't covered in soot. Then the third step in the Evercoat paint system is an epoxy undercoat. It's the same kind of epoxy that they use on ships out in the ocean. They use it on oil rigs that are going to be out in the ocean in salt water all the time. It is the nastiest thing that you can put on a trailer to keep corrosion from happening. Then the 4th part of our system, which is what you're looking at on this video right now, is a 2-part urethane system where there's a urethane and an activator, kind of similar to what they use on semis, trains, airliners use the exact same system at Boeing, but the final outcome is a trailer that the paint's gonna stick to and handle being hit better than any other paint system on the planet. So people ask me all the time, why do we not powder coat the trailers like Big Tex and Load Trail and a lot of the other manufacturers? And the reason is because there's two main problems with powder coating a trailer. The first problem is we have drastically different thicknesses of metal all over a trailer. We've got stuff here that's 3/16. We've got stuff here that might be 1/4 inch thick. Here's 1/2 inch thick material. All around the trailer, there's different thicknesses of material, and powder coating wants to be baked so that the material, the substrate that it's being melted onto, is baked at the same temperature. You can't get this trailer to be the same temperature. It's gonna be much hotter on thin stuff than it is on thicker stuff. And that's why we don't powder coat. The second reason that we don't want to powder coat a trailer is because of what's called the Faraday effect. So powder coat is actually magnetically attracted to the metal, and that's how they attach it to the trailer before it gets baked. All right, so you have a ton of places like stake pockets here. You've got spots where I can put my hand between two pieces of metal here. You've got really sharp edges on metal here. If you go look at a trailer at a dealership that's been powder coated, you're gonna find these sharp edges all over the place where paint is already coming off the sharp edges because powder coat magnetically can't get the same thickness here as it does on the corner. And that is the reason why there's rust all over all the edges of trailers at dealerships before they're even sold. The other thing is you can't, because of the magnetic poles, we can't get the paint to be the same thickness inside of a stake pocket or even close to the same thickness inside a stake pocket as you can on the outside. So it just isn't the best way to paint a trailer. People ask me every day then, why is it that the big guys powder coat trailers? And the answer is really simple. It costs about 1/8 of the price to powder coat a trailer than it does to paint the trailer the way we do here at Bigfoot.
Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. I'm the warranty manager here at Bigfoot Trailers, conveniently located here in Mulberry, Florida. There's a few things I want to talk to you today, and that's about your warranties. 1, what can you expect under your warranty coverage? 2, who do you talk to? Where can I go to have a warranty issue fixed? And 3, what can you expect during and after your repairs? Now let's talk about what you can expect with your Bigfoot warranty. Our amazing trailers are backed with a 3-year fixed deck or 2 years for any of our tilts, anything from our goosenecks down to our line of dump trailers. Our decks and our wiring is covered for 90 days from the time of purchase. But don't worry, we understand that bad things happen to good trailers, but we're here to help you. Doesn't matter if it's your fault, their fault, we're gonna help you regardless. And because we exclusively only work on our Bigfoot trailers, we are able to give you the most cost-effective, the most safe, and the most like new and like original repair that you can ever get. For example, here, they bent their end cap pretty severely. Now we had to do a little bit of cosmetic surgery, but because we have our files here at our facility and we have the equipment, we were able to cut out a nice sufficient piece. It's gonna go in just like original. Now 2, let's talk about who you can talk to or who do you call when you think that you're having a warranted issue. It's no problem, just give us a call. Give us a call, hit our Mulberry location and press 3, you're gonna reach me directly. Again, my name is Kevin. I am going to help you, whether we can troubleshoot it over the phone or whether we need to get your trailer down here and have a sufficient repair done to your Bigfoot unit. Now you may ask yourself, what if I live out of state? Don't worry. We're gonna deal with the people that you purchased your Bigfoot trailer with, and we're gonna be able to make that happen for you. Last but not least, let's talk about what you can expect during and after your time of service. Once we receive your unit, we are gonna give you a full, transparent inspection and a game plan on how we are gonna resolve your issue. We're gonna give you a time frame, of course, sometimes those are plus or minus. And after, you're gonna be given some aftercare instructions, kind of like leaving the doctor's office. But of course, if you have any more issues, you're more than welcome to call or bring it back to us here at Bigfoot. Thank you.